Hello students, welcome to all of you in my class. So today we are going to study about bridge course of day 13. Now we are in library of Sri SB High School Jalna, and all of you have to study here. You should have to refer all these books. There are so many books in our library, so please study and refer all these books. Okay, now we will study about bridge course of day 13. I am sharing PPT for you. Welcome to all of you in Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School, Jalna, library of SB High School. I am Mr. Khire SV, and today we are going to learn bridge course of Standard 9 subject Maths 1 to day 13. Our today's topic is exterior angle of a triangle. You know exterior angle? Exterior angle of a triangle. There is exterior angle theorem, and also it is also called as remote interior angle theorem. Okay. So we will start exterior angle of a triangle. First of all, what is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. A triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You know this, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Second is adjacent angles. Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and a separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. There are two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are called adjacent angles. Third is angles in a linear pair. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. The angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. And angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now, what is exterior angle of a triangle? On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained which forms a linear pair with the adjacent interior angle of the triangle is called an exterior angle of that triangle. On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained which forms a linear pair with the adjacent interior angle of the triangle is called an exterior angle of that triangle. Exterior angle means it is outside the triangle, which is attached to triangle. A side of a triangle is extended. Can you see the figure? In figure, it is shown that in triangle ABC is there, and side BC is extended up to point D. And we can extend again it. Okay. Now, in figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. exterior, outside of triangle. This angle is angle ACD. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Understood? Now, properties of exterior angle of a triangle. First is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. And the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. These are the properties of exterior angle of a triangle. Measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of the measure of its remote interior angles, and exterior angle of triangle is greater than remote interior angle. Now there is an exercise for you for day 30. Exercise or homework for day 30 is a figure. In figure, question number 1 is in figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. If measure angle AB is 40 degree, angle B is 40 degree, and measure angle A is 70 degree. A is 70, B is 40, then find measure angle ACD. You have to find out this angle. What is the measurement of angle ACD? Okay. You know, angle ACD is equal to sum of its interior, remote interior angles are angle A plus angle B. Sum of these two angles is equal to angle ACD. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is measure angle ACD. A is 70 plus 40 is equal to ACD. Means measure angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Question number 2. From the information given about an angles in the following figure, find out the values of x, y, and z. The figure is there. A triangle is given. Two exterior angles are given. One is 100 degree and another is 140 degree. You have to find out the measures of or values of x, y, and z. Means you have to find out measures of all the angles of this triangle. X, y, and z. Find the values of these all. Okay. Now, this is a pair of linear angles. Linear pair of angles. 100 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair of angles are supplementary. Means sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Means x is equal to 180 minus 100 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 80 degree. Similarly, we can find this z. Sum of these two is also supplementary. These two are also linear pair of angles. Therefore, 140 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Means z is equal to 180 minus 140. Therefore, z is equal to 40 degree. Now, we know x is equal to 80 degree, z is equal to 40 degree. Now, find the value of y. We know sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, sum of x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. We know the values of x and z now. Value of x is 80 degree and value of z is 40 degree. Put the values. Means 80 degree plus y plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y plus 80 plus 40 is 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, we get the value of y, that is 60 degree. The value of y is 60 degree. X, Y, and Z. Okay, got it all of you? Thank you very much. So please do the homework. Thank you very much to all of you for joining my class. So please join always this class online on Zoom meeting. Thank you very much. Like my videos and subscribe my channel Shikshan Mitra. YouTube channel is Shikshan Mitra. Remember it. Thank you very much.